Hey, what's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Today's video, I'm breaking down how you can do affiliate marketing without showing your face. Now, I do get a lot of questions on this topic, so I really appreciate if you do leave a subscribe to the channel. I do post weekly videos just like this on how you can make more money online. But with that being said, I'm going to show you how you can do this in 3 simple steps done for you. I found a product for you, I built a sales funnel already, and at the end, I'm going to show you how to promote the product without showing your face. So with that being said, let's get right into step 1. So in step 1, we're going to go ahead and go to clickbank.com, where we're actually going to find our affiliate offer. Now, this website is great as there's so many affiliate products to promote on there. It's like thousands that you can start to promote right away as you sign up. So just go ahead and sign up for me, and then we're going to go ahead and go to the affiliate marketplace where we're actually going to find the product. Great. So now we're on the actual affiliate marketplace after you've signed up. We're going to go ahead and check our offer, which is the custom keto diet product. Now, the custom keto diet product is insanely good as the gravity on this product is really high. The 341 down here means that this is how many people are making sales with this product per month. So this product does convert really well, so that's why we're going to promote it today. Okay, so on average, this product does sell for around $50.40 on average. So you could be making this much money with a single conversion on this product, which is great. And now I'm quickly going to show you guys inside the product itself. So once you do click on this product, you will see this page right here. Now this product is so great as they give you a custom keto diet plan for free on the front end, which will entice customers to go all the way through and then buy the product in the end. So this is really good bait from the actual product creators itself. They are giving people a free diet before they even buy anything, which is good. So I'm going to show you what will actually be inside and what the customer will actually go through. So get custom keto diet, mail. And I really do like the design of this website as well. It's pretty clean. So we'll just go through, answer these questions, and I'm just gonna go ahead and put some random stuff in here. But this is what the customer will go through. So let's go 89, and I'm gonna put a target weight that is lower than what it is because people want to lose weight maybe. And now you can see all the statistics and data for the person that they will be seeing, and this is really good stuff. Like, I don't know much of what I'm seeing right now, but this stuff does look quite like useful. And then the main part right here is they can go down and they can see different testimonials too from different people that have taken it, some features, what you get, and then most importantly the get it now button, where they can go ahead and complete the order to get the full custom keto diet. Once they go to the secure checkout page, they'll be able to agree with this, and there's even an upsell as well where they can purchase a ebook too. So that's basically the sales process they will go through with this product, and this is the product we're actually going to be promoting. Okay, so now we're going to go ahead and get our affiliate link. So we're going to go ahead and press promote. We're going to type in our account username, and then we're going to press generate hop link, where they'll give us our official affiliate link. So we're going to go ahead and copy that, and this is our affiliate link we're going to be promoting. Now this next step is very, very important. You want to listen out for this. We're going to actually be putting the affiliate link inside of a website page. Now this is really important as we can't put our raw affiliate link inside of pages because they will track those links and they will take down your page. Facebook and like Pinterest, TikTok, they will take down your page for having raw affiliate links that they don't like them. And also you do need a sales funnel anyway. You can't just be putting your affiliate link out there. You need to actually have a website front page before they get to the actual affiliate offer. So what I've gone ahead and done is made the actual sales funnel for you guys, where you can go ahead in the description and pick it up. It's a share funnel where you can put it into your ClickFunnels account for free. Now it's a 14-day free trial to ClickFunnels, but this is probably the best investment you will make in your business as this tool is really good. So go ahead and pick that up if you haven't already. Okay, now so here we are on the sales funnel I've already built for you. Go ahead and pick up this sales funnel done for you in the description below to be able to import right into a ClickFunnels account. And if you don't have one already, then it will link you straight to the ClickFunnels 14-day free trial anyway. Now ClickFunnels does cost around $97 per month, but this is probably the best investment that you will need to make into your business anyway. And I chose this product for a reason as well, because 2 single sales will cover the whole business expense for ClickFunnels. 2 single sales is $100, so you've already paid for ClickFunnels like that. And since this product is so high converting, you should be able to make 2 sales quite easily with this product. So go ahead and pick up the 14-day free trial to ClickFunnels if you haven't already in the description below to be able to import this whole done system. So I'm just going to go ahead and explain what I've actually put on this page. So I've put the custom keto diet picture right here, and I've put, are you tired of dieting and still not losing weight? Now this is a really good text to put as it is questionable. This will make the customer think and question about, yeah, this might happen to me, this is me, this relates to me. So it's quite a questionable text and paragraph to use. And I've put right here, discover the ultimate weight loss solution with the custom keto diets. Now I've put a call to action which is saying click this button to get your own custom keto diet plan personally made for you. As I said already, you need this page to be able to do this properly and successfully, as this is where you can host your affiliate link. So I'm going to show you where you're going to put your affiliate link right now. So under this button right here, we're going to go ahead and press the cog, the settings, set action, and now we're going to go ahead and get our affiliate link from here. Go ahead and copy that again, and make sure you copy and paste your affiliate link right into here. As you can see now, right at the bottom, the URL is here, and when they press this button, they'll be redirected right towards your affiliate link. So now we're going to go ahead and preview this page and see how it looks. So I'm going to press preview, and as you can see, this is what it look like on the website. And now they press get access, and this will be right to the custom keto diet with your affiliate link. Now, as I mentioned before, any purchase made through this link, they will pay you 75% of the sale. And also on average, it is $50 per sale. So well done for getting 75% there. Make sure you pick up ClickFunnels for step 2. And now we're going to go ahead and step 3. Okay, so now on TikTok right here, we can go ahead and look at this page called Keto Recipes. Now this page is basically just posting daily clips around keto products themselves, and this page has grown to over 231k followers and 1.1 million likes. But as you can see, they're not really showing their face in many of the clips. They're mainly just posting different kind of clips, etc. about the keto products. Okay, so that was TikTok. Now we're going to go ahead and go to Pinterest. Now Pinterest is also great, as you don't need many followers on Pinterest to actually get views. As you can see, I have 42 followers on here, but I can still get over 32.3k monthly viewers to my page. Now I'm going to go ahead and search up keto right here. And we're going to go ahead and check out what people are doing on here too. So as you can see, exactly what I said, they're just posting keto clips. They're probably not even their own. They're just getting them from a website, and they're going to go ahead and repost them on TikTok. And this has got 1.9k likes and a lot of hearts and whatever. But all they're doing is just posting clips around keto on here too. And now we have the final example, which is the Instagram theme page on keto products. Now this page has 1 million followers just by posting keto clips that probably aren't even their own. Now they are really active on this page with 2.5k posts. So as you can see, these are some of the clips they're going to be posting, or they are posting. And these probably aren't even their own clips. As I said, they're just going ahead and reposting clips from the websites. Now this is where the money is coming in. Right here in their bio, they do have a page where they are going to be putting their affiliate link, where people can go ahead and go through the sales process that we did go through before. Yeah, I just showed you 3 different websites you can use to be able to promote your keto products on: Instagram, TikTok, and Pinterest, where they're just posting different keto clips. We're going to go ahead and go to pexels.com, where we're going to find all of these clips. Pexels has thousands of different videos and different topics that you can use. So we're going to go ahead and type in keto diet. There are thousands of clips that you can use for keto to repost yourself. And also, as a bonus, these clips are really high quality videos too, as you can see right here. So they're really high quality clips too, where we can go ahead and free download those right into our computer with a download button. Okay, so now all these steps are done. We have our product, our sales funnel, and we also do have our platforms where we're going to actually post them, and we now have our clips as well. So what we're going to go ahead and do is go right back to ClickFunnels, where we're actually going to get our website link. So we will go ahead and paste this, copy this link right here, copy, and then what we would go ahead and do is paste this into our bios. So we're going to go and test Pinterest right here. I'm going to go right here and go to the settings, and right in this section here, we would just go ahead, take this out, and we would go ahead and put our link right here, press save, and Pinterest will actually allow us to save this in here. If it was a raw affiliate link, they would not let you do it, but because we have our sales funnel process here, we are allowed to go ahead and do that. Now if you're not satisfied with this link right here, you can go ahead and go to settings, and you could also change this and add a domain name where you can purchase one for like $20. It will just basically make your website URL a bit cleaner, where you can just go ahead and put like your name.com or .org or whatever. You just go ahead and purchase that with a domain inside ClickFunnels. So with that being said, we now have our affiliate business ready to go without showing our face. We have our product, our sales process, and we have a method of getting people towards our links. But I will not stress this enough. We will need to get ClickFunnels in step 2, so we do not get banned on these platforms for posting our affiliate link raw. But now we have optimized our business so we can be able to get sales without showing our face. Hopefully you enjoyed today's video, and I do thank you for watching. Please subscribe to the channel, I really appreciate it. I want to reach 300 subs by the end of the month. With that being said, thank you for watching, and peace out.